Hello, welcome again to my channel. Let's provide a solution to this challenge. The question reads, root of 4x divided by x is equals to 2. What is the possible value for x? So please, if you are new here, subscribe to this channel and please don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you get notified whenever I drop videos on mathematics. So provide a solution to this solution. Okay, write the question which says the root of 4x, okay, divide by x equals to 2. So from here we can also write e to be divided by 1. Okay, so what we'll simply do from here, we'll simply cross multiply. So for cross multiply, we have this to be the root of 4x, okay, root of 4x equals to 2 times x. Okay, so from here we can see that this one times this one is going to give us the same thing here. So from here we simply have this to be the root 4x, okay, is equals to 2x. So having done this, so the next thing we are going to do is to square both sides. Okay, is to square both sides. So if we should square both sides, we have here to be the root of 4x all square equals to 2x all square. So from here, this is what we are not having. So if we do this, put in this, we simply have this to be 4x equals to this becomes 4x square. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do is to bring in this. So if we have this, we have this to be 4x minus 4x square equals to 0. So this is what we are not having. So we can see that there is a common factor, and if we should factor out that, we simply have this. So if we factor it out, we have this to be 4x open bracket 1, this is 1, minus x close bracket equals to 0. So from here we'll simply have this to be 4x equals to 0, which is our x is equals to 0. So this we are going to reject because x can't be 0. So we are going to simply pick the second one, okay, minus x equals to 0. So from here, if we make s the subject formula, our x is equals to what? 1. Is equals to 1 rather. Okay, so this is for the first method. So our x is equals to 1. So if we are to use the second method, so we can bring the question which is the root of x, so root of 4x over x equals to 2. Okay, the first thing we are going to do is to square both sides. So we can simply say the root of 4x divided by x all square equals to 2 square. Okay, so from here what are we simply going to do? So from here we are going to apply the rule which says a over b all square is equals to a square over b square. So if we put this rule, we put it here, we simply have this to be the root of 4x all square, okay, over x square equals to 4. So from here now, we put in this, we simply have this to be 4x over x square equals to 4. Okay, so this is what we are now having. So if we have this now, we can simply what? Cross multiply. So we have this to be 4x equals to 4x squared. So this 4 will cancel this 4. So, and this x will cancel this x squared. So we are left with what? Just x. So therefore, our x is equals to 1. So this is the second method. So you can see that both the first and the second method arrives at the same answer. So if you find this video useful and interesting, please click on the subscription button if you have not done that, and turn on the notification bell. Bye bye. See you in my subsequent video. Love you. Bye.